Hey guys, Evan here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload your own sounds to TikTok. So what I like to do is search up on YouTube, copyright free music. And what you can do is you can tap on any one of these videos, and then whatever recording software you use on your phone, I'm going to use in the built-in recorder on iPhone. So all you have to do is just open up the control center and then tap on the recording button. And then once you do that, press play on this YouTube video and you'll be able to start recording the audio of this YouTube video. So basically you can start recording the music that's playing. Then once you have recorded your audio, what you want to do is go back to TikTok and click on the plus icon at the bottom. Next, you want to click on where it says upload, and then you want to select that audio clip. And what you need to do is click on next, and you're going to have to upload this in order to make it a sound. So if you go ahead and click on post and you open up the TikTok, you should see this audio button at the bottom right. If we go ahead and tap on that, we can see that it says original sound Evan Does Tech. We can go ahead and tap this little edit icon in order to edit the sound title. So let's just say copyright free song and click on save. And now we change the audio name to copyright free song. And so we can go ahead and click on the use this sound button when we want to record a brand new TikTok. So that is basically how you can create a sound on TikTok. I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, please leave a like, but that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.